Before we start, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on, that way, you won't miss a single upload. The inside of the EQS SUV is immediately recognizable. The layout basically mimics the EQS sedan, with identical material options on the dash and door panels, and of course, the hyper-screen. The massive 17.7-inch touchscreen display sits dead center in the EQS SUV, joined by a corresponding 12.3-inch passenger-mounted touchscreen and a digital instrument cluster in a single housing. One thing that the EQS SUV does get at launch that the sedan didn't is video playing capability for occupants on the passenger side. Passengers can now stream a movie over a long road trip while wearing headphones. Unplug those headphones or let the EQS's interior camera catch the driver trying to sneak a peek, and the system will temporarily shut off the screen. In terms of size, the EQS SUV slots somewhere between the GLE and GLS lengthwise. It definitely doesn't look huge in person, and the smooth design elements, still camouflaged in this case, help shrink the overall footprint. Specifics on the length and passenger capacities remain a secret, but the EQS 126.4-inch wheelbase equals the sedan, though it is slightly wider than its traditional sibling. A quick look back at the second row reveals a middle bench with a third row fit neatly behind it. As with the gas-powered GLE, the third row is optional here. Otherwise, buyers get a standard rear bench with a roomier trunk compartment.